boy, you know you need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like to fuck on him when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this pussy is shit. Ay, oh, he's so thirsty.
Hey guys, it's your girl King. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be doing a very wonderful look, the hot girl summer look. I call it the hot girl summer look. So yeah, it is also my first time trying the 25mm lashes, and y'all, I love them. They are, you know, hard to work with for the first time, but they came out okay. They're very long. But yeah, so before I get started with this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on post notifications so you know when I post all my new videos, because you do not want to miss out on these next videos that's about to come out. Yeah, so this is so pretty, y'all. Like, but yeah, so if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so first is the primer, the most important part of your look, and I'm using the NYX Total Control Primer. Okay, for this look, I'm doing my eyes first because it's glitter, and you know, glitter is messy and I don't want any of that on my foundation or anything. So eyes first, and I'm gonna get to the rest of the face. So what I'm gonna do first is go in with this Maybelline New York concealer, and it's in the color caramel, and I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna use that to prime my lids. And you know what, guys, I lied. I'm doing my brows first, but I'm not adding any product to my brow. I'm just going to brush them out and, you know, conceal them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal the top of my brows. I'm gonna use my foundation in the color, what color is this? Spicy brown. So this is my perfect match right now for the summertime. The wintertime is a little lighter, but I got a tan this summer, so this is my color. So I'm going for an orangey. I'm going for a type of orangey type, like a summer type. So it's hot girl summertime, y'all. So you already know I'm doing the look for hot girl summer. So yeah, so I'm using my palette CoverGirl Revolution, and y'all, I use this palette once and I love it. So, and for this look, I'm going to be using Brazen, Day One, and Probably Ruthless. Alright y'all, so I got it blended out to where I want it. So now it's time for the concealer, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro Conceal for the cut crease. Alright y'all, so this is the glitter that I'm using. It's like an orange type glitter. I don't know if it's that color, but yeah, it's orange. Just know that. And for the inner corner, I'm gonna use Day One right here. Alright, next is foundation. I'm using my Maybelline foundation in the color Spicy Brown. Alright, next is concealer. I'm using the Maybelline New York concealer again in the color Caramel. Next, I'm going to set my face with this HD Flawless setting powder, and it's the color Banana, Brighten Banana. Next is contour. I'm just gonna use my Shade and Light contour kit. Oh my, y'all look at that lash. That is too long. I can't believe I'm wearing this. Y'all, I'm not wearing this. Like, these lashes I would not wear out. All right, y'all, lip gloss like always, and this is the end of my look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is a beautiful look, y'all. I love it. Match my nails, yes. Y'all, this is my first time trying the 25mm lashes, like I said, and they suit a little bit. Like, I think they look better with makeup. Like, you can't just go out with no makeup. Well, you could if you had lip gloss and, you know, like highlight, but at first when I put it on, I was like, whoa, because, you know, it's so long. Like, look at it, it's like a fan. But yeah, I like them. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, turn the post notifications so you know when I post all my new videos, and the most important thing, subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next. Bye.